I'm Danny702, and today I am so excited to do something we have never done before here on this channel. I've never done at all. We are at the opening day, the reopening day of Blizzard Beach, one of the two water theme parks here at Walt Disney World. And when I was younger, I used to get those DVDs that basically helped you like plan your vacation. And I always wanted to come to Blizzard Beach. It just looks so cool. And we're finally going in. I'm so excited to check this off my bucket list. We're here bright and early. It's a little cold outside. They have been closed for about a year. So things might be a little bit different or a lot bit different. I have no idea what to expect. Welcome to Disney's Blizzard Beach. Open from 11 to 6 today. Come in and have an ice day. I purchased my tickets online. My pass does not cover the water park, so it was about $64 plus tax because today isn't a blockout day. On blockout days, I believe it's about $5 more. They just handed me a little pass after my confirmation on email, and we're heading on in.
Excellent, thank you.
Yay!
Have a great day.
Thank you. And it does look like we are entering a ski resort because Blizzard Beach is Florida's first ski resort. But because of the weather here in Florida, it's not quite lasting, and a lot of the snow has melted and turned into a fun water park that we are about to experience. Hello! Thanks for being here, guys. Good morning. Out in front, we passed by a couple of different merchandise spots, and here it looks like a quick service restaurant. There's also a little Joffrey stand with mini donuts. I have heard about these mini donuts. They do come with dipping sauces, chocolate, raspberry, and white chocolate. I think I'm gonna do a loop with my regular camera that I'm holding currently, and then we'll grab the GoPro and we'll go on some rides. And here is a welcome map. Snow where else like it. That's cute. Dang, this is pretty big. So yeah, let's maybe make a semi-loop, walk around, get a layout of the land, find some lockers, go on some rides. We will be rope dropping it just a couple more minutes till 11 o'clock. The little details, that is too cool. Check out that water slide. Oh my gosh, that is so intensely high up, and it looks like it drops out of nowhere and just sends you over the cliff. What the heck? Oh, they're making an announcement that there's someone going down Summit Plummet out there. The very first one. Oh, we're counting down. 3, 2, 1. Yay! Go, 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 go. Woo! And the rope is dropped. Let's head on in. They have the little chairlift to take you all the way to the top of Plummet Summit. Wow, that is so high. A freak winter storm developed over the western end of Walt Disney World Resort and covered the area with a thick blanket of powdery snow. Ski lifts were put in, toboggan runs were laid down, and the entire resort area bloomed around the mountain of snow. Yet before the first skier could strap on a pair of boots and stick their poles into the snow, the temperatures returned to their normal Florida levels, and the powdery snow quickly turned into slippery slush. As the slush began cascading down and pools of water began to form, an echoing Yahoo was heard from the summit of the mountain. When everyone looked up, they saw a playful alligator coming down the mountain hillside, and they all knew that they were back in business. Ski Patrol Training Camp. This is geared for preteens. It's a training camp that includes inner tube slides, cable body slides. There's a couple of little slides in case you don't want to do the big ones like that gigantic one up there. There's also a bit like of an obstacle course that are hanging on ropes going across some icicles. This is Tykes Peak, and it's for 48 inches and under. It's kind of like a splash zone, splash pad, but on steroids. Look, a little waterfall over there. There's the alligator with her umbrella, and then there's little slides. I did read that you can rent out these patios, kind of like a private cabana. They do have chairs set up in a lot of different areas that I'm coming across. I can't wait to get into a slide. I'm trying to fill it out with the regular camera before we pull up the GoPro so you guys can hear me and see things a little bit better. But we'll definitely head into some slides very soon. Ooh, check out this slide. This one might be a water raft ride, I'm assuming. I wonder if I can get on that since I'm solo today. Ooh, Raft Mickey, hidden Raft Mickey. Well, I'm heading into a cave area. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. The lazy river is gonna go through here as well. Plenty of tubes available. They're currently throwing them inside of the lazy river. She says, if you find an available one, go ahead and grab it. I'm loving all of the little hidden gems, little beach spots. This is like a private beach over here. This sign here says, please do not move the chairs. They have been positioned to keep a minimum of 6 feet between you and other parties. Runoff Rapids. Here's where you pick up your, oh, there's a couple different ones over here. There's 3 different slides. Oh, I see now. So there is one that is inside that you're surrounded in the dark, and there's 2 different ones on the other sides that are open. I'm seeing a lot of these little shower spots if you want to rinse off after you get off one of the rides. I don't know if ride is the correct term, actually. Should I be saying slide? Water slide. Technically a water ride too, right? Here's one that looks like you can race another person. That is so fun. Oh, misters. You can get misted, brah. This is called the warming hut. This might be something you can use today because it's a little chilly, but I don't think it's quite literal of what I'm thinking about. Nope, it's just a food stand. As long as we stay in the sun, we're okay today. It's really nice out in the sun. Listen to those waves crashing. Definitely a lot of places to find seating. During the summer, I think that might be a little bit difficult, but I'm finding them everywhere. Ooh. As we're walking around, I've asked a couple of different cast members just to get a feel of what the rules are with the face mask. Any sort of food area, the restrooms, while you're standing in line even for food, that is all going to require you to have your face mask on. But as you're walking around the park from slide to slide, or of course when you're on the slides, you do not need to wear them. I think I've officially made a full loop, so we're heading towards the lockers now. I'm going to put away this camera and get out the GoPro so we can go on some rides. I've got my fingers crossed on that GoPro because the battery is pretty horrible. And I noticed as I was walking in, for some reason it turned on and it was recording for like a whole half hour. So I lost a whole bunch of battery. So we'll see how it works. We're just gonna do it all, have as much fun as possible until that battery dies. Right by the lockers there is something called the Refreshment Frostbite Freddy's. And this has some beverages for the adults. The margarita, the pina colada, and the strawberry margarita, those all have alcohol in it. But the blue raspberry is actually like a mocktail, so there's no alcohol in that one. We're heading on the chairlift. We're gonna go all the way up to Mount Gushmore. Ooh, the biggest slide here is Summit Plummet, which is 120 feet tall. It can have you going down the slide at up to 55 miles per hour. That is crazy. Okay, I'm just gonna get my fears set aside. We're gonna do the big one first. There's Summit Plummet and Slush Gusher. We are extremely high up. And look, there is no lines at all. I'm pretty scared right now. Oh my gosh, check out this view. Ooh, I don't know how much you guys can see in the GoPro, but we are so high up. Holy cow. Oh, look, there's Hollywood Studios. Oh God, we still have to keep going up. It's a little chilly up here. It's a little bit windy. I hope that water is warm. Okay, I'm legitimately getting really scared right now. Oh my God. This is ridiculous how high this is. Oh God. I'm so glad there's no lines because otherwise I'd probably turn around. It doesn't give me time to think about it.
Do it! Just do it!
What am I doing? Oh, it's so scary. We're just doing it. We're just gonna do it. No thinking, no thinking. Oh, jeez. Okay, it is warm. Do I need to do anything specific? Okay. Crossing the legs. Okay. Oh, it's cold. Ooh. Oh. Holy. Oh my God. Wow. Woo! We did it! We did it! That's intense. I can't even see anything. I got my eyes closed the whole time, but it's still really scary. I think we're gonna go back up the slide and head to the second slide that wasn't as tall as that Summit Plummet. Okay, we're back up on top of Mount Gusher? Something like that. We're gonna go on the other ride though, or the other slide that isn't as tall as that last one we were on. I'm feeling a little bit more confident now. Look at this view. Okay, let's see. What can we see? So there's Coronado Springs, or their new tower. I think it was called the Gran Destino Tower. Right over here looks like Swan and Dolphin and the new tower that they're building. So that's going to be where Epcot is. I don't see Spaceship Earth. It might be on the opposite side of that building, so it might be blocking our way. There is the Hollywood Hotel, the Hollywood Tower. So there is all of Hollywood Studios. You did say, oh here, yeah, here's the very, very tippy top of the Galaxy's Edge. You can see more of it when you're up on the top of the slide. Oh, there we go! Yeah, that's fast. Oh, I think I spot Pandora over there. Yeah. Yep, there she is. There's the backside of Everest. All right. Jeez. I swear I caught air a couple of times on that one. Holy cow. Woo! Oh man. That was fun. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, it kind of does like a whoop and another whoop and another whoop. This next one is called Runoff Rapids. And we're gonna grab a tube. I believe this is the exit. So what I'm gonna do is put my stuff down right here.
The light is green, so you are good to go.
All right, we got a green light.
Hold on to the handle.
Count on. Oh, good. Ah. Ooh. Oh. Oh, it's dark. Oh. Woo. Ah. Oh. Got some air. Ah. Ooh, it's nice and warm in here. Oh. Now we gotta climb up those stairs again and get on the other two, because there's 3 total. That was the only enclosed one, and then they've got 2 on the sides. I'm out of breath. I think you climb like 4 stories for this with a tube, and there's 3 slides. Let's go!
Hold on tight to the handle.
Woo! Whee! Woo! Oh! This one's fun. Oh, this one's relaxing. Oh yeah, I like this one. This one isn't as thrilling, but it's nice. It's nice and relaxing. Oh, rabbits! Ooh! We did it. All right, we got the last of the 3 up here. Oh, woohoo! Woo! Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is nice. Oh yeah, that was good. Okay, still got about 40% battery on the GoPro. So I'm gonna do these over here. These are considered the purple slopes. Looks like there's a racing, I believe there's a couple racing ones, maybe 2 here. So here's a downhill Dover Dipper. We're gonna pick up a tube. That was fast! I won! I have nobody to race me. And I've got nobody with me, so I get to win all 3. I've got the advantage. That was fun. Here are the other 2. This is Snowstormers, and over here, Toboggan Racers. This one is like a body sled, basically. We'll go in the middle. We're taking 4. We got another one of those where we lay down on our belly. Go, go! 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 Whoa! Woo! Oh my God! Oh, that's so fun! Oh God, that was really fun. Okay, I can't show it outwards because I'm holding on here, and otherwise all you're gonna see is this. So that's why you're seeing me the whole time. Sorry about that. I have been here for about 2 hours and I have done almost all of the slides already. I think I'm gonna go ahead and go back on this one because this one was a lot of fun. It was so fast. There is one that is a group. It's for a family or a group. And because I'm by myself, I can't ride that one because obviously they're not going to put me in with a different group just because of distancing. But we still have the wave pool, which I'm not sure I will do just because I am running out of battery, and wave pool is a wave pool. But I definitely want to get in that lazy river. Oh, that one's fun. Oh man, that one is freaking fast. It's lazy river time. Get a little bit of relaxation because those rides are pretty wild. Oh yeah, this is nice. It's kind of like a lounge chair. Just hang out on the lazy river. Oh wow. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a lap on the lazy river, and then we'll head back to the lockers, get the regular camera. I have a snack in my bag, so we'll grab that. And then maybe we'll walk around one more time. And while we're walking around the second time, I'll try to charge the GoPro, see if I can get a little bit more juice out of that. If not, we'll call it a day. But it's definitely been a lot of fun. A lot of fun, even though I'm completely by myself. I love it. I really should upgrade my pass to get the water parks because as soon as the other one opens, I want to go check out that one too. But this has been a lot of fun, and I think Eddie would love this too. I think the last time I've been to a water park was like over 10 years ago when we lived in Los Angeles. We didn't go to any of the ones in Vegas. I did when I was really young. There used to be a water park on the Las Vegas Strip. That's been long gone. The last time I've been in a lazy river, because that's what I loved doing in Las Vegas, is going inside of the pools out there at all the different resorts. And they have a really awesome lazy river at the MGM. And we did that once. Actually did a video there. Peter's got his little mittens and his socks out to dry. A gator wears mittens and socks? Oh! I didn't get that much more juice out of my GoPro, but that's okay because we did every single thing that we could. We couldn't get on the family ride, and I didn't do the wave pool, but that's about it. We did everything else. I think that they did a really great job. I'm so glad that it's reopened. Hopefully we'll get Typhoon Lagoon soon and we can head to that one as well. Until next time guys, thanks so much for joining me. Stay safe. Love ya.